Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Clay for prospecting workflows linked to CRM step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Clay and press enter. Once the Clay homepage loads, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. In the email field, enter the email address associated with your Clay account. Next, move to the password field and input your password. If you prefer to stay logged in for future sessions, check the Remember Me option. After filling in your credentials, click on the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard by clicking on the dashboard link if not automatically directed. To link your CRM for prospecting workflows, find the Settings or Integrations tab on the sidebar. Click on the Settings or Integrations tab to open the configuration options. Look for the CRM Integration section and select it. Choose your CRM from the list of available options. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between Clay and your CRM. After connecting, you will see the options for setting up prospecting workflows. Customize your workflows based on your specific needs and requirements. Once everything is set up, review your configurations to ensure accuracy. Now you are ready to utilize Clay for your prospecting workflows linked to your CRM. Explore the features and start enhancing your prospecting efforts effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.